Hi, this is Jamie Davis, the pod medic. We're here with Jake Swanton, who is the Health Legislative Assistant for Senator Mark Udall. He's here at the IRCP conference, the International Roundtable for Community Paramedicine, and he is talking about some of the things that are important about rural health initiatives in EMS and the healthcare system in general. But one of the things I want to ask Jake about is why is it so important for us to really contact our representatives, whether it's the state or the federal level? And the reason is, I think, because they come to things like this, and they really do listen to what we have to say. So, Jake, I want to welcome you to the MedicCast and to the ProMed Network. And I ambushed you a little bit, and you had to make a quick phone call to make sure it was all right that we got together and talked. But tell me a little bit about how important it is to you as representative of Senator Udall to talk to your constituents, to talk to the people and find out what matters to them.
Well, I think that's kind of what it's all about. We're in the Senator Udall, my boss, is in Congress and in the Senate to represent the people of Colorado. But I think from a policy standpoint, all the great ideas that we have at the national level, they don't just come from some academic sitting in a building on their computer typing away and coming to them through osmosis in their brain. These things happen when people in communities have a great idea and something works in that community and they develop it and there's success and there's measurable success, and then they tell folks in other communities throughout that state and it spreads. I think on the federal level we need to know about those things. And while things do come up from the grassroots to the local communities, to the municipal communities, to the state communities, and then a lot of times finally end up before federal legislators and staff members as ideas, there's no reason not to be louder than they are about those. And I think people don't know how to access that, get into that process and have access to those people. And I don't think people realize how easy it is to get a hold of their representatives. I mean, that's what we're there for. If you're working with an organization or a city or a county, have whoever it is in your office that kind of deals with those sorts of local relations, just email or call your senator's office, call your representative's office, and ask for a meeting. Fly out there and tell them about your program, or when they're back in the state, ask for a meeting. Tell them about the program, tell them about the successes, and that's how things get noticed and they can be expanded and help more people.
So, and truly quite just as easy as going to something like senate.gov, where you can get all the information to contact your senator, or house.gov, I think, is the two web addresses for the United States, for the senators and the House of Representatives.
Yeah, I mean, if you go to www.senate.gov, or I believe it's house.gov for the House Representative site, you can look up who your local representative is if you're in the House, or who your senators are, and there's contact information. You can contact the office, tell them what you're looking for, that you're a constituent, you represent this county or this organization, and you'd love to set up a meeting with staff in the office. They should be more than willing to help you out.
Great. Jake, I want to thank you very much for taking some time to meet with me here. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.